What's up, guys? And I'm back. I keep saying I'm back after every upload. It's kind of strange. I guess I'm like not really back. I'm just kind of going and going. Well, this video is about Linux. I know. You're like, oh my gosh, look at this Discord mod that uses Reddit and Linux. Like, okay, hold up. I am a Discord mod. No, I'm just lying. Maybe I am. But, okay, so the reason why I want to talk about Linux is because I have this laptop. It's pretty old, maybe like 6 years old. And it was running Windows, you know, as of a couple weeks ago, it was running Windows. I decided to get Linux. It was Zorin OS 18 or something like that. Yeah, I got Linux and it's working great. Right now, I'm running a Minecraft server with it, even though it's a bit laggy. But that's not Linux's fault. That's the CPU or RAM or something from the computer. That's not Linux. But Linux is great for like hosting servers and stuff, so that's kind of what I'm using it for. But I can also just use it as a regular laptop. And since it's like a slowish laptop, it's a good suspect for Linux. So it runs like smoother and faster. You know what I'm saying? If you're a real OG of this channel, you'll know that I used to be called Simply Explained. And I made a video about operating systems. Operating systems explained in 60 seconds. So hold up, let me check. Operating systems explained in 85 seconds. Okay, so 85 seconds. I explained macOS, Windows, and Linux. And so I kind of nerded out on this video. Yeah, so this is the same Linux. I don't think there's anything else that's Linux that's not related to the operating system. But now we're making Minecraft content. Actually, not really. We're making commentary content with Minecraft in the background. What I want to say about Linux is, on specifically the laptop, it's running so much better. Oh my gosh, the Windows on that thing was shit. It was so bad. But now we're running Linux and it's so much better. It's not my main computer. I just use my PC. But when this laptop was running Windows, it was insanely slow. I don't even want to talk about it. It was just horrible. Linux is really good for privacy things, like when you're browsing the internet and like you don't want trackers to track your data. Also, it's not made by like a corporation or anything, so it's not like Microsoft is taking your data or anything, like Windows. And it's also free and open source. So yeah, pretty cool. Now that I've said everything good about Linux, I want to do some complaining. Like, if you don't want to hear me complain, click off the video. I'm gonna complain about Linux now. I don't know. It's just these things just piss me off. All right, number one, on Firefox specifically, I haven't tried other browsers. On Firefox on this Linux laptop, pressing Control 1, 2, 3, 1 through 9, I want it to switch to my tabs that are like laid out in that order. And on Firefox on Windows, it's perfectly fine. I can do it right now, like 1, 2, 3, yeah. Instead, I have to do Control Tab, and I'm just not used to it. I know it's not a big deal. Another thing about Linux is you can't play Fortnite. No, I'm just playing. I don't play Fortnite, but I do play this game called Rainbow Six Siege, and you can't play that on Linux. Even if you could, I don't really care. I guess this doesn't really piss me off because I'm not gonna play it on Linux. If I could, I would just use my PC. Let's see. What can I ramble on about for Linux? I don't like, this doesn't affect me, but the Linux distribution called Linux Mint, I don't like the UI. What am I even saying? Yeah, that's kind of it. I know. I don't think there's much to complain about except for like the Firefox thing. I think that's the only thing. The other two issues were not, were not it. And as I said, I'll be posting every week or every 2 weeks, somewhere in between there. I hope you guys have great holidays, happy holidays, and see you in the next video. Peace.